Good morning everybody, Thursday 3rd of February and I'm out on the Husqvarna as you can see, and I'm just having a little dabble on an off-road trail. It's a byway, so it's road legal for me to set the Husqvarna there. It's a little bit more treacherous than the beginner's course, if you like, or the introduction that I did a few weeks ago just over at Ilkley side. But yeah, so this is just stretching my skill level, or lack of, a little bit further, pushing my limits a little bit, and I'm going to give it a go, and if I come off, I come off. I'm not that fussed, but that's all part of the learning curve. So let's crack on and let's have some fun. So as I said, I'm a novice, very much so, and if anybody's watching me they'll be able to see it, probably in my posture and so forth, but it's all about learning, you know, get used to the handling of the bike and get comfortable, even more so obviously get comfortable standing up on the pegs. We've had some heavy rain, so it is quite muddy, some deep puddles here, but nothing that the Husqvarna shouldn't be able to cope with. So yeah, I'm just trying to relax, which I am doing, having some fun, and let's see what happens. A bit of mud here. So just speaking with a guy there walking his dog, and I know that this is, well, I know from doing a bit of research on this path and this trail that it is used by 4x4s as well, and he was just saying that there's more 4x4s using it at the moment than there are off-road bikes, and some of the locals have been complaining, but I think, you know, if it's road legal, isn't it? And as long as you're respectful to other people using it, as I was to him when I saw his dog turn the engine off, let him pass me, I can't see it being a major problem. So we've got a few deep puddles here. Let's go through them, eh? That's what it's built for. So the speed I'm doing, we're only talking about less than 20 miles an hour, about 18-20 miles an hour. That's comfortable enough for me at the moment, whilst my confidence grows. But yeah, just learning again just how to sort of stabilise the accelerator. A lot of loose gravel there and stones. Alright, what have we got here then? Let's go over to the left. So I've got a big dip there on the left, so I'm just going to hold to the right here, take the easy route. And again, just keep left here. So I'm trying as much as I can, just like you would on a road bike on the road, taking your surroundings, forward observations. So I'm just going to sit down here just while we go down this steep bit. So let's just keep to the left here on this high bit. one line here. So it's definitely a bit more gnarly than what I did a few weeks ago over at Ilkley, but that's what I want to do, just gradually increase the difficulty level of the tracks that I'm doing and try and improve my skills in off-road riding. I mean, to be fair, whether I'm doing this right or wrong, I'm not sure. I'll just stop. Let this guy get past. You're okay? Hello? Are they all yours, or are you a dog walker? Right. I just want to enjoy your walk. Right, off we go. Right, so I'm just doing this in reverse now. I'm going to go back up to the main road, and that was just a little introduction. See whether my confidence has grown or anything. I think it has. But the thing is, don't get overconfident. I definitely don't want to get overconfident. I'm just going to build up my confidence and my skill nice and gradually. I mean, I know there's most people that would do this on a GS. I'm not that skillful. It's a nice little bridge. Thank you. That was excellent. I really enjoyed that. Just, yes, good fun. Quite hard work, I must admit. I mean, I've got to remember, I am knocking on a bit in years. That bike is lovely and dirty. Not as dirty as I wanted it, but we're getting there. Yeah, thoroughly enjoyed that. So that was quite basic, but again still more advanced potentially than what I did before. That was very novice now, I realise that. But no, bit of fun, and I'm going to build on that, keep building up the skill level, and then hopefully be able to do sort of like more gradient things. I think they classify them as 1 to 5. I think this has been deemed a 2 or maybe a 3, and the one that I didn't do that's off here goes up to a grade 3 or 4 or something like that. So anyway, there we go folks, hope you've enjoyed that. I'm going to just head back down here now, down towards Home Firth, and then head off back home. So thank you very much for watching, and by all means, if you think I've got worse, leave a comment. If you think there is a slight improvement, or if you've seen anything, albeit just from the one camera angle, but if you've seen anything that perhaps you can identify that I'm not doing correctly, I would be extremely grateful if you could just point me in the right direction. I am keen to learn. So that's it for now folks. Thanks very much for watching, take care, and I'll catch up with you on the next video.